In today's video, I want to guide you on how to completely block ads on Chrome browser while using your laptop, computer or PC. This can be very simple. First, open your Chrome browser like this on your laptop. Then on the top right corner, locate and click on the three dots here. Scroll down again and click on settings. After that, come to this side, locate and click on privacy and security. Once you click on that, then scroll down, click on site settings. This gives you a venue to see what site can be carried out on your device. So scroll up again. Here under content, scroll up, you see what is called pop-up and redirectory. Click on it. Once you click on it, make sure that you click on this button that says don't allow site to send pop-up or use redirect. Click on this button to enable it. Click back again. Now here you see additional content settings. Click on this arrow to expand it. Once you expand it, scroll down, you see what is called intrusive ads. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, then if it is on any site you visit show any ads to you, then click on this button to turn it off. With these two settings, guys, you'll be able to block ads on your Chrome browser completely. That's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe for more updates like this.